Meet Orion, NASA's next-generation spacecraft designed to carry astronauts farther into deep space than ever before. At the very top is the launch abort system, built to pull the crew safely away in the event of an emergency during launch. Below it sits the crew module, the living and working space for astronauts throughout their mission. Surrounding the spacecraft is advanced heat shielding, engineered to withstand the extreme temperatures of re-entry. Connected beneath is the European-built service module, which provides power, propulsion, water, oxygen, and thermal control during flight. Its large solar arrays generate the electricity needed for long-duration missions beyond Earth orbit. Together, these systems form a spacecraft capable of traveling to the Moon and beyond as part of NASA's Artemis program. Orion represents the next step in human exploration, combining cutting-edge technology, international collaboration, and the ambition to expand humanity's presence deeper into space.